Are you looking for the best containers for storing clothes? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best containers for storing clothes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best overall. Many storage bins, let's be honest, aren't particularly chic, but this one is aesthetically pleasing, surprisingly sturdy, and comes in a range of colors. During testing, we found that the low profile and compact size easily fits up on high closet shelves, while the plastic viewing windows make identifying contents a breeze. The fabric is reinforced with metal so it keeps its shape, and it's easy to retrieve items thanks to the durable zipper. The best part is that you can choose from a variety of sizes to accommodate your storage needs, and we noticed that clothes stay fresh, even over a long period of time. This pick is great for storing lightweight and off-season items, but given its compact size, it's not ideal for storing bulky winter items like sweaters and scarves, since it lacks a lot of width. While it's lightweight and easy to move around given the side handles, the one change we'd make is the addition of a front handle, in case you wanted to pull it down from the closet. Type: box set material, linen, metal, and MDF. Number 2. Best overall, runner-up. Compared to the FHSQX clear window storage bin set, these containers are a bit wider, making them a better option for storing items like winter sweaters and even king-size comforters, which we tried out. We stored them in both a closet and basement and found that the flexible material is not only great for stacking, but the containers can squeeze into tight places in closets. The handles are reinforced, making the containers easy to transport around the house, even when they're stuffed to the brim. While we loved the clear windows, they may attract dust over time and there's no labeling system or tags to help with organization. Also, the sides aren't reinforced, so if you don't pack them just right, stacking might be a bit cumbersome or awkward. Still, they're ideal for storing seasonal clothes, blankets, and any bulky fabric, as you're able to fit a lot of stuff in here, compared to, say, a plastic container with a lockable lid. And for under $30 for 6 of them, you're getting a really good bang for your buck. Type: box material, polyvinyl chloride, PVC, and fabric. Number 3. Best for closet shelves. One of the best aspects of the Container Store's clear sweater box is the hard plastic material, which makes it great for storing wool or bulky sweaters without worrying about dust or pesky moths getting inside. It's also great for storing up on high shelves or even stacking. Since it's clear, it's easy to see at a glance what's inside, especially if it's been tucked away for multiple seasons or long forgotten somewhere in an attic. We loved the secure, snap-on lid, too. Also, this bin is not particularly heavy-duty and we suspect that it's probably not shatterproof, so plan accordingly if you're moving or expect to be making lots of adjustments with contents. But for everyday use, it holds up well and keeps clothes fresh, clean, and in the same condition as when you first stowed them away. Type: bin material, polypropylene. Number 4. Best for long-term storage. This Sterilite garage tote is a bit pricier than the sweater box, at around $16 each, but it's also a lot sturdier and holds much more. Given the increase in height, you can easily store several winter coats or sweaters, as well as square-shaped items like vinyl records. As with the sweater box, the snap closure lid is very secure and keeps contents protected in climate-controlled environments. Our belongings were in the exact same condition at the end of the testing period as they were when we first packed them, clean and neatly folded, with no dust or other contaminants present. If you live in a small home or apartment, however, this one may be a bit bulky for you, as it takes up more space than other storage bins. It won't fit under a bed due to its height. It also lacks wheels, so if you're moving it around your home, say, from the attic to the bedroom or taking it in from the garage, it may get a little heavy. To be fair, most of our picks don't have wheels, but because this one is larger, the extra weight is more noticeable. Type: bin material, polypropylene.